Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to talk about Google warning, product missing field and price valid unit. So if you are getting such warning in your search console and you are serious about your Shopify online store SEO and want to rank on your website Google search engine, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. Here you can see that one of the Shopify users asked a question on the Shopify community. I recently noticed that I had about 152 products with 9 warning each about on Google Search Console. I have attached a few screenshots of what I see. Does anyone know what this is about? How to fix the error? And this question is due almost 24,000 plus. Okay, and now we are going to find the solution of this. I am going to Google Search Console help page, and you can see that they have published a solution on their support page. Looks here, Google Search Console missing field price valid edit. Let me share the details. Hello, most of the website URL getting the warning missing field price valid unit in Google Search Console. I cannot find any option to on how to slot it out. Could you please help me how to fix this warning? It also affected my website traffic. Looks very carefully. It's also affecting my website traffic. Here Google recommended answer. First of all, he shared that it would not be affected ranking or traffic. So you no need to any worry about that. Warning are reported for properties. Google recommend you add if you can. If you do not define date for when your product price expires, just ignore the warning. Same with review. If you have no review, ignore the warning. If you have review, then you would be benefit by making them up. SEO and global identify can be of value if you include them, but again, if your product does not have them, ignore the warning. So finally we understand that this warning would not be affecting our ranking or website SEO, but if you have like product review, SEO and global identity, we should add them to get more better performance, but it would not be down our ranking. So I hope you understand. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this information is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any help and service relevant Shopify website design and Shopify SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.